Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5. This video is going to serve a couple of purposes. I'm testing a new vlogging setup, just to kind of demonstrate things right here. It uses my phone other than my DSLR because the tripod that it came with won't support the DSLR or the mounting, but it works with my phone, which should make things easier. But you can control the light. That's as bright as it'll go, and you can change the light. I think that's the best one, and I'm going to turn the light down a little bit. All right, that's one purpose, is to test this new vlogging setup, and two is to tease you, and three, which is the main reason, main reason, testing the vlog setup and the teaser in that order. Merry Christmas, and to all of my Hispanic viewers, Feliz Navidad. I am currently trying to learn how to say Merry Christmas in Arabic. I wanted to wish you Eid Milad Majid. Anywho, to the teaser. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this next video, but I have a cut test with the Cold Steel fully serrated Marauder. And it's going to be interesting to upload because I kind of fudged it up a little bit. I have some bloopers. And so I don't know how to address that other than be like, well, here's the video. It deserves a redo, but I'm not going to hide this video from you. I think you'll enjoy it. And two, I got future pork test or Porkman test in the video. Future battle blades is what I call them. Where I compare two different knives with different cutting mediums like meat and denim, and maybe some kind of penetration test or whatever. You know my Battle Blades videos, they're quite popular. And let's see, the first up, and this is going to be, switch hands, is going to be the ProTech Godfather and the Cold Steel Tie Light. Both are stiletto-style knives. They have different blade profiles, though. You can see one drastically tapers to the point. The other one has a little bit more of a spear or belly to it. And I think these are comparable knives. Don't know if this one's going to be around forever because Cold Steel sold the company. But I think it's really amazing that you have this quality of a stiletto. Not historical term, but modern term when I'm referring to stiletto. But you have such a awesome design that stood the test of time. This tie light series of knives have been with Cold Steel for many years, and it survived the Triad Revolution. So I think there's a lot to say behind this leaf spring lock that is still still relevant in the Cold Steel lineup for all these years. And as you can see, it's super fast. Then I got this switchblade. This is the Dawn. And as soon as I saw it, I wanted to compare it to this because they serve a similar purpose. And this one is obviously a switchblade. And it's my first ProTech, so I'm excited about that video. Not sure when it's going to be uploaded. That's why this is a teaser video. Every time I want to do these cut tests, a new knife comes out that I think that'll be a little bit more relevant or something. You know, either I'm filming with my brother and he wants to do a certain knife, or you know, it just things that put on the back burner. And I think this and this will make for an awesome cut test comparison. And I really want to do that testing video before I do a review over the Godfather. Next up, I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's going to be a little bit unfair, though, because I have a fully serrated Otanashi no Ken. Now, what am I going to be comparing the Otanashi no Ken to? Ideally, I want to do this with a non-modified Otanashi no Ken, but there's a particular knife that's been missing from my collection for a while. I regrettably sold it on eBay when I wanted to try out new stuff. And then, what do you know, it was almost impossible to find for a decent price. And that is the Emerson Persian. I got put on a email list that would let me know when this was available, and so like I waited several years. I went on eBay, could not find this. In fact, well, I could find it before it was outside my price range. In fact, I'm going to put a if I still have the photo, I'm going to put a photo of a sterile portion and how much it was being sold for or asked for on eBay. It was ridiculous, but it was a sterile military portion, and it was very valuable according to eBay. So, but yeah, ever since I sold this knife, I really regretted it. I missed it. And I was like, man, if I ever get a chance to get another one, I'm going to get it. Well, Ernest Emerson announced that he was going to be reintroducing this, and if you wanted it, to put yourself on an email list, and he'll email you when it's available. And in fact, when this thing was being sold, I don't think you could go on Emerson's website and find this knife for sale. You had to go strictly through the email to get this knife. And of course, as soon as I got the email, I was like, I gotta buy before it's sold out. And I overlooked the coupon codes. And the coupon code that was relevant to this price range, I could have got our Ernest Emerson deck of cards for free. And after I made my purchase, I was like, dang it. I could have got a deck of cards, because I like cards. I like, it's Kings of Wild Project. They have a Beowulf one that I want. When it comes out, I'm going to try to get. But anyways, I think these occupy the same space in use. I think they're very similar as far as how you're going to use them. You know, of course, if you study James Williams' Tanto Jutsu techniques, you're going to use this knife a little bit differently. And if you have more of a Filipino or a Western style, this is going to be used a little bit differently. But these seem to be very comparable. Let's see if I can line these up. The Otonashi no Ken has just a little bit more length, but they're both upswept blades, and they're about the Persian is a little bit thicker. But to me, these occupy the same space of use, and obviously, if you can use Tanto Jutsu techniques with this, I'm pretty sure you can use Tanto Jutsu techniques with this, and vice versa. If you're going to use more of a Filipino or Western style, you can obviously do that with this. But I just think it'd be really cool to compare these two, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think I'm going to do the ProTech Cold Steel video first when I get a chance. I'm still trying to work on the editing of my Marauder video. It was interesting to say the least. I'm going to include the bloopers because we had limited supply of cutting medium, and so it is what it is. But I wanted to say Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. I hope you enjoy Xmas. If you've watched that video, Xmas is upon us, and I am not afraid to say it. That's it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.